This Arduino project is a complete password-protected door lock system using a 4x4 keypad, LCD display, relay-controlled solenoid lock, LEDs, and a buzzer. When powered on, the LCD shows a welcome message and then asks the user to enter the password. As the user types on the keypad, each character appears as a star for security. If the correct password is entered, the green LED turns on, the buzzer beeps once, and the relay unlocks the solenoid lock for 5 seconds, while the LCD displays access granted. But if the password is wrong, the system immediately shows access denied. The red LED flashes, and the buzzer gives warning beeps. The project also includes a manual override button that instantly unlocks the door without a password, useful for emergencies or admin access. The entire system is powered by an Arduino, and the code supports multiple passwords. You can easily change or add your own passwords inside the sketch. This project is perfect for school, college, home automation, or anyone looking to learn security systems using Arduino. If you want the full circuit diagram and source code, check the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Real Tech for more awesome DIY electronics projects.